Guys, you are not gonna believe what we just found here in East Tennessee. This is a Savannah monitor. Believe it or not, they're not native to East Tennessee at all. Come on.
Oh,
there you go.
He's angry.
You can see he's not really the most happy right now that we got him out of his habitat. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right.
Oh.
You're okay.
Oh. No.
I got you.
He's gonna tail whip you.
It's okay. Come on. It's okay.
Whoa. Hey, calm down. Oh, get him.
I got him.
Get him by the neck.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, so he's not the happiest right now. Getting bit by one of these guys is definitely something you don't want to do.
Oh, look at those teeth.
Whew.
Yeah, you got a good hold on him?
Yeah, unless he whips around. Let's get him back over here.
Away from the woods.
Away from the woods. Now I know what you guys are thinking. This is staged. Yeah, it is. This is actually not wild caught. This is.
Well, technically he was. But...
Well, technically he was. This is actually Lucas's pet Savannah monitor named Mufasa, and
he's usually not that bad behaved.
I gotta tell you, you put on a good show for the camera. I do appreciate that. That's for sure. Wow, these guys are. If you're thinking about getting them as pets, I would not recommend it. Believe it or not, this is about as tame as you're going to get one, as they are generally wild caught. There are select few that are captive bred, but that's after they're wild caught. But if you are thinking about getting one of these as pets, keep in mind that they do eat insects. Live beating is not really the best way to go about dealing with these guys,
because they'll end up aggressive.
They'll end up aggressive. So this is one of the species that you really don't want to keep that wild instinct alive in them. You do want to try to tame them if you do get them as a pet. I'm over here at Luke's house checking out some herping spots and whatnot, and we figured I heard a lot about Mufasa, but I never actually seen him or held him, and so we figured we'd open up with that little gag. And sure enough, you played your role really well. Really well. People would have actually thought that we caught you out in the wild just now with the way you were acting.
We'll give you an egg whenever we get back to the room.
Yeah, we'll give you an egg. We'll give you a treat. You don't care. You do not care.
He's just angry. Very
angry. I think he's calming down now.
That's good. He's starting to realize that we're not a threat to him.
Well, I mean, I figured you realized that when I first picked you up. And you were cool.
He's a bit of an idiot.
Yeah, apparently. Apparently.
Now, some things about Mufasa. He is a rescue. I would never recommend getting one of these as a pet, because they take up a lot of space, a lot of time, and they're very expensive to feed. Because in the wild, they are mainly insect eaters. That's what you have to feed as a majority of their diet. I have to breed my own super worms, mealworms, dubia roaches, and everything to feed him. And even then, I mix it in with eggs most of the time, because in the wild, they also eat eggs.
He's in shed right now. Now these lizards don't shed like a snake would. It comes off in bits and pieces, and normally what you want to do.
Actually, they shed their body like one part at a time. Like it's their main body, and then their neck, then their head.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
But this guy is actually stunted. He is 7 years old. He should be at least twice this big.
Can you imagine trying to wrangle one of these that's twice this big?
The original owners kept him in a 40-gallon for the first six years of his life. I got him last year, and he's in a much bigger habitat now, but he hasn't grown.
We're actually going to go inside and show you guys his habitat right now. So he can get back to being okay.
Oh, he's opening his mouth again.
I've never hit a lizard, but I was... Okay, you're not making it better.
I don't think he likes the camera.
They never do. They never do.
I mean, the snakes like the camera. Oh, yep, let's get him inside. Cut! That's a weird way to hold him, you know.
It seems to work for him. Unless he whips...
Oh, we pooped on you.
Yeah, he did. He did a lot of stuff to me. Okay. I'll show you guys all the blood when we get inside.
Let me open up the door.
Okay.
Oh, upstairs is not good for this.
Now, buddy, this is not a time to freak out, because if you do,
you're going down.
You're going straight down, and I can't get you out. You guys haven't guessed it, this is not the most prime way to hold
a monitor.
A monitor, but you do what you got to do with what you got. There you go, buddy.
And for anyone thinking that this is small, it is, but I do let him out to get exercise every day.
And so you guys can see his claws do to you.
I don't clip his claws because, well,
right
he needs
there.
them.
Yeah, he tore me up pretty good. But yeah, figured I'd do this little video since we were over here at Luke's house, and I wanted to kind of do a video on this Savannah Monitor because, you know, that's my lifer. If you count that as a lifer.
I mean, you technically caught him.
Yeah, technically.
And we even have...
We also have another one. His name's Todd.
Yeah.
Now he
is a little more skittish.
Yeah, I'm not going to handle him.
Because...
He is right down here.
Oh. I don't see him. I see him now. Okay. Let's get him up close for the camera. Hey, Todd. He's a lot more well-behaved. Just kidding. He's much worse.
Yeah, I tried to handle him before, so I was like, let's do the skit with Todd.
Here. Come on.
You want me to film?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Todd was also a rescue. I've done a lot better job taking care of Todd. Because, well, he was in a better situation than Mufasa was. So it's been a lot easier to take care of him.
Yeah. So,
do not get a Savannah Monitor as a pet. Get a Tegu if you're getting a big lizard.
yeah, don't. And, yeah.
And make sure to sanitize after that, because salmonella.
Yep. Yep. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was a nice little fun video. You know, something different to kind of do. So that's why we did the little skit out there. So if you're watching this video and you're like, oh my god, there was a Savannah Monitor in Lewiston, Tennessee, technically we did not lie to you because he almost did. He technically was loose and we caught him. So, you guys can't be mad about that. But anyway, guys, I love y'all. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos on either one of the sides. And check out Lucas's channel, Lucas's Lizards. He'll comment down below and you can just check it out from there. Yep. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.